Hey,
Hey,
John,
hey, hey. Good evening.
you get sleepy Mike today. Quiet Mike. The kids are asleep and I'm jet lagged. And it's, I think, day three here in Hong Kong. It's hitting me now.
Yeah.
But the show must go on. And we've been trying to get you set up properly to work on the portable sanitation fleet management
Yes.
software on the
Yes.
Bitterbox. And so we will do a reveal here to see what's broken now.
Let's do it. Uh, I'll share
Um,
my screen.
allow that. And yeah, so what I've been doing is I realized like there was still not enough structure around environment variables and secrets. So I kind of had not a clear delineation between like what should be in bitter pass and what should be like hosted in bitter grids like environment management system because
Yeah.
like not everything is a secret. Like you might have a variable to define like what host name you want or whatever, or some setting that you have, and that should really just be set as an environment variable. Excuse me. And yeah, so I've been doing a ton of work just like overhauling that whole setup. Um, okay, so now we're inside your Bitterbox hosted terminal, and we're gonna see
Mm-hmm.
if no,
No?
no, this should be fine. Let's see what happens.
Oh.
Yeah, just let it run stuff. Um, I'm just thinking if your like whole setup has been like reloaded with the latest. But
Mm-hmm.
let's see. What's it saying? This is a longer three gap. Yeah.
Is authenticated now.
Hmm. Oh, good. Okay, that's progress.
Deploy is a right mutation. Uh, oh, I can elevate. Okay, okay. Token is read only. What you need to do.
Hmm. Yeah, this doesn't seem correct either.
Yeah.
We could try that. But yeah, that doesn't seem correct. This shouldn't happen. But I'll take a screenshot of that too before it scrolls away, just so I can like note
Yep.
the struggle that you had here. Um, cool. I'll relay that on my end. All right,
One-time hub code. Hmm.
yeah. This shouldn't this should be um like linked to your factory authentication.
Yeah.
So yeah, but I think this is on my end. I'm not sure I specified this clearly enough. Okay. So yeah, this is yeah. This may still be a bug. The only question is whether okay, what does it say here?
I just did bitter login.
Mhm. Okay, it says mm, okay, this looks actually pretty good. Um yeah, you shouldn't need any hub code. Mhm. It's asking code, but we shouldn't need that his factory auth already should carry that since he authenticates via Bitterhub. to his factory account. Yeah. Yeah. The whole thing is extremely complicated.
Mhm.
With the Bitterhub as like the federation layer. I realized that I basically built Okta. My friend works at Okta and he's like, dude, like I was looking at your site and I realized that you're basically like
Yikes.
um yeah, but it makes everything like so much more complicated. Um, but good news is once it's all working, it's really cool because
Nice.
you do just get one login that just like you're automatically kind of like logged into everything that you have provisioned. Um,
Yeah.
it's really powerful once it works, but yeah, it does make everything. Authentication in general is one of like the thorny things in like software, you know?
Hmm.
It's like one of the things where when we talk about like your vibe coded prototype going into production, it's like authentication and authorization are the two things where it's like, yeah, you really don't want to like screw those up. Like this, like this, it's really high stakes. And then, so generally, like inside of a company, like no one ever wants to touch that code because, like, if you make a mistake, it's like really, really bad.
Yeah.
Um, um,
Anything? Okay. So we'll wait to see, try again later on this, right?
I think so. Yeah. This is probably not going to be a quick one
Okay.
to power through. Um, yeah, because I'm pretty sure that the way I specified this, it was purely based on factory authentication. And I didn't even realize that there's actually a just it's not just factory authentication, it's also Bitterhub authentication actually, which is granting you factory auth. And so I think that yeah, it's my bad. I didn't like specify it clearly. And my agent who was working on this like didn't realize to infer that yeah, he probably means federated auth. But it's right not to. It's something you should be specific about. So my bad. I think
Okay.
tomorrow might be finally the charm.
Cool.
Um,
Cool.
I did get visual diarization working in Bitterclip, so it's pretty cool. I did a call with Andrew Williams, the personal trainer guy,
Hmm.
and he's excited to try it. Um, so he's gonna today do some training sessions um, and like use it.
Hmm.
And I also added like sequencing so that when you upload a new episode, when we upload this episode today, it should automatically title it like day 25
Mm. Oh,
because it
nice.
sees like the last 4 or 5 uploads. It sees there's like descriptions and titles and
Yeah.
just basically has some instructions to sort of infer a good title, like
Keep it
take that
going.
into account when it's
Yeah.
titling shows. So yeah, just continuing to streamline stuff. And what I was just realizing when I was like lying in bed and I was falling asleep, but my brain kept being like, do the show,
Do the show.
do the show. Um, was like, yeah, I want to get it down to like what we even set out in the beginning, like just eliminate like all workflow because I realized that it's like from talking to Andrew is like he would have he wants the same thing. Like when he trains a client, he just wants one action at the end. Like he does his hour-long session. He has
Yeah.
one thing he needs to do, which is like go to his media folder. I mean, and go to like Bitterclip, click upload in that project and tap the video and like put his phone down and like,
Oh, yeah.
break down the gym or whatever.
Yeah.
It's like all he wants to
That would
do.
be nice.
And then optionally for him, it would be like you could, if you have someone invited to the project, you would just like auto not notify them once it's processed. So like if
Yeah.
he's training Adrian, Adrian then gets a email or whatever um, that says, hey, like your like session has been processed. Like you can review it or whatever.
Yeah. It would be cool. I could imagine it would be cool to be able to kind of vibe code that sequence. So like different users of Bitterclip might have different kind of sequences that they want to do after they upload the video.
Mm.
So they could be like, um, just give a voice agent, put a voice agent in between the ability to kind of build together the automations. So
Mm.
it's like, hey, I help me build an automation where I upload a video and it automatically cuts it to XYZ
Mm.
and labels it in this kind of way and
Mm.
cuts it into four different chunks. And
Mm.
anytime I say cut, that's a sign that you're going to need to cut it. And then when I'm done, automatically upload that to a private YouTube channel and send the links to my client,
Mm.
the client whose name was mentioned at the beginning. I don't,
Mm.
I'm just thinking of like this ability to kind of vibe code a sequence using
Mm.
voice
Mm.
would is always really helpful for
Mm.
or
Yeah,
for
and
anybody. And
it
then they're
is.
like, good, one and done.
Mhm.
You're kind of making it like N8N.
Yeah. Um,
Not
to
that
me,
that has to be
that's
done.
yeah.
Just thinking out loud.
No, yeah. I mean, to me, that's a different product. Like that, to me, is just Cloud Code or Codex or whatever. Um,
Yeah,
and um, and
but that's
Bitterclip
true.
is
That's true.
designed to be CLI. Like it has the MCP server, but
Yeah.
MCP is just kind of clunky. It's great for like inside of Cloud Code. I mean, sort of in Cloud Chat and ChatGPT, but anywhere else, the CLI is like superior. So yeah, it is designed like that you could do exactly that, like
Yeah. Just
with
talk
your
to Claude.
yeah, pretty much. And then the most generic thing, which just made me realize, is I just need to add like probably webhook functionality because then you could post it to like whatever automation like NAN or any of these things, you could just post it as a webhook,
Mm,
and then set up an automation around that. Just that's just
yeah.
another syndication channel. In addition
Yeah.
to YouTube, et cetera, just post a webhook. Um, yeah, that can definitely work. That's super interesting, actually. Um, I'll add that. Um, I mean, that's easy. That's just a natural. That's the most generic syndication pattern there is a webhook. Um,
Yeah.
which basically that lets you connect to anything with that can accept an HTTP request can now connect to it. Um,
Mm,
yeah,
nice.
yeah, that's great.
All right.
Like that.
You wanna you wanna cut and go to sleep? We
That
worked
sounds
on
good.
Bitter for a minute. We did an update on Bitterclip. It's good.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Um, no, I'm a little um disappointed that you haven't been able to make progress on the potty project, but I think it's close. I like literally like worked on this all day. I hadn't had a chance to actually test it out yet.
Yep.
Um, uh, been kind of busy. Um, but yeah, so hopefully tomorrow we can finally log in and see how things have progressed there.
Take it to the next level.
Yes, sir. All right, sounds good. Let me try this on.
See ya.